This video is your step-by-step guide with regards to how to set up copy trading on Bybit. I'm also going to show you how much money you can make. I'll show you real results with regards to how much money I have made on copy trading. So stay tuned until the end of the video to see how much money you can make with regards to copy trading on Bybit. If you don't have a Bybit account already, click the link in the description of this video to sign up and create your own trading account, because that's what you're going to need in this video. Once you have that, then you can follow along with everything that I'm doing in this video. Let's get started. All right, so after you created your account and made your first deposit, hover over on derivatives and click on copy trading. Here you'll be presented with the list of the most successful traders based on how you actually want to sort this out. As you can see here, it's actually sorted out by the highest return on investment on the past 7 days. But I don't really like to look at this because this can be deceiving, because any trader can, make 100% in 7 days, but go out to lose, 90% in the last 3 months. So what I'll do is click on all traders. Then I want to sort this out for the past 90 days. Then we can see in the past 90 days, this trader right here has a return on investment of about 10%. And the nice thing is that you can see that they've got 100% win rate. And if we actually look, we've got another trader here with 100% win rate, another one over here, and we can see this one has a return of 22%. Now you can actually click on the trader that you're actually interested in. For example, let's say you are interested on this one, Jeff Bezos. I'm going to click on that, and that's going to open up a new complete tab. So from here, I'll again change this to 90 days. Again, you can push this to 120. It gives you a bigger picture with regards to how much money you can make with this trader realistically, and they draw down on your percentage, because this is going to be very critical as you put in your stop loss. From here, you can actually scroll down and see the amount of trades this person is taking, whether they're going long, going short, the amount of leverage. From here, we can see that they're actually using 3x. 3x, basically, you borrow 3 times the amount of money that you have, or 3 times of your capital. Scrolling up, you can actually come here and see the statistic of copy trading. They don't have any current trades right now, but the recent trades were long on Bitcoin, which makes sense because the market just crashed recently. Now, if you come here and click on followers, you can actually see how much money these followers are actually making on a daily basis, 100 days, and all that information is presented to you right here. So really, this is the information that is important. So once you're actually happy with the trader, you can then go ahead and click on copy trading. On top, you can see where this trader is ranked, and also the number of followers, the number of trading days as well, the total amount of money they have on their trading account, which in this case is not a lot. So I like to follow traders that owns a big amount of money, maybe $500,000 for example. So let's go back to derivatives and click on copy trading again, and maybe look for a different trader. For example, if we come here, we can see these traders has almost 200,000, but if you scroll over here, and this one here is managing an amount of more than $500,000. If we click on that, you can see other traders are actually full, but this one here is not full. So let's click on that. Again, I'm going to sort this out by 90 days, and you can actually see the return as well. So I'm going to scroll down and see what asset they're actually trading, and from here we can see that they're trading Ethereum and trading with 10x leverage. It's a little bit more risky, but we can set this out on our own settings when we actually follow the trader. Again, you can look at followers and see the percentage that they're actually making. The ROI here is really great. You can see this one day 15%. That really looks promising. So if you want to copy this trader, you can go ahead and click on copy trading. So I'm going to go ahead and click on copy, and from here the first thing we want to do is to transfer the funds on our copy trading account. I'm going to click on this icon over here, and let's actually put maybe 150 and click on confirm, and you can see the funds were successfully transferred to our copy trading account. So when it comes to stop loss, just play around with this and understand that sometimes if you put it too tight, it may take you out from the trade because you don't necessarily understand the trading strategy that they're actually using. I'll assume that they're actually using their own stop loss, and I want to follow that. So I'm just going to put this at 30% or maybe 35%, and let's scroll down to leverage, and here I'm going to click here and actually select follow traders leverage because they actually know what they're doing, so I don't want to interfere with what they're doing. I'm going to click on confirm, and this is going to be your stop loss per trade. And I actually want to put this high as well. I'm going to assume that they're actually using the stop loss as well, so I'm going to put it around about 30%, and because if I put it so close, it may take me out as well. And I'll go ahead and click on I have read terms and conditions, and I do agree. From there, I'll click on copy trade. You can see now we have our copy trading active here. You can always cancel your copy trading, or you can click here and go to the settings. You can always adjust this and configure the settings. Alright guys, so it's been over 24 hours since I started this copy trading, and I want to show you the results with regards to how much money I have made, having only just put in about $150. So if I click on that, you can see we are now $159 and we are up by $14.42. That's just about 5% in profit. So let's go ahead and click on that and see in more details. You can see right here, this is now our equity. If you recall, when we started with $150 and we are up by $14, and like I said, this is just about 5%, and this is just in one day, so this is really good. And if I click on asset history or transaction history, here I can see the quantity. You can see he's trading 10x leverage on Ethereum, and we can obviously look at the transaction history. This is the 150 that we started with, and if we look at profit sharing, we can actually see the trades that he actually took. And the nice thing here is because we know how to trade, we can actually go back to the chart and see exactly what he was doing. So we already know that he's trading with 10x, so that's why I said to you earlier on, it's very important that you follow what he is already doing on your settings. So just do that as I have demonstrated to you earlier on in this video. So here we can see that these are the 3 trades that he actually took. So let's go back because I want to show you something that's very fascinating. So let's click on the trader and actually look at the trades that he is actually taking. So I'm gonna scroll down here. We can see the last 2 trades. He took 3 trades, right? So this one here was the one where we made $10, and on these 2 trades he was going short. And here we can see the time is 18:12:49, and this is the time where he actually opened and closed the trade. So what I can do is that I can come to the chart here, because I already know that he's trading Ethereum USDT, and that's the chart that I currently have here, open Ethereum USDT, and I can look for this exact time on the chart yesterday, and we can see this is 11:16, which is yesterday. So I can go directly to the chart. We can see right here we're on 18, so the trader was going short, right? And what we can see is that the trader here, this is the period that he was trading, so he was predicting that the market is going to come down like this, of which he was right. However, if we see here on the take profits, let me just quickly go back here so that we can see exactly what we're talking about. If we look at the transaction history, because we can see that on these last 2 trades, he sort of like closed the trade on break even. This one is at 50 cents, 55 cents in profit. This one is about $3 in profit. Now, the reason why this trader has 100% win rate is simply because he is trading and then he waits for the markets to actually drop, then he puts his stop loss just above break even, so that's why he never loses a trade. It's a very good strategy for him because he's always 100% win rate. However, on this trade, I'm going to show you that we would have actually made more money had he actually let the market breathe. So let me just go back here and delete this. Like I said, he was trading on this period, right? So he was predicting that the market is going to go down, and we can see right here, this is the exact same time that he was obviously short, but the market, you know, started going up. It was just basically a fake out. Let me just delete it like that. The market started, you know, creating that fake out, and then that's where it stopped him on break even, or just about $3 in profit. But immediately after that, then the market started moving on a direction that he had actually predicted. So we actually lost out on a potential profit here with his strategy. However, it is still good, because sometimes I also trade like that because I hate losing as well. And here we can see that we actually lost out on a 6% drop, and knowing that the trader is actually using 10x leverage, we can see that we would have made, with our account, we would have made more than half of our account just yesterday. But again, it doesn't really matter. The most important thing when you're trading sometimes is just to be safe, especially if you're just getting started. And I'm sure he doesn't want to lose his reputation of 100% win rate. So we can see that overall the trader was right. However, because the market gave him a fake out, then he was stopped out at more or less break even, but then the market started moving down again on the direction that he had predicted. Again, I'm going to leave this account on for about a month and I'll make a follow-up video. I've already opened a new account and I put about $5,000 here on copy trading as well. That video is going to be coming up in the future. I'll show you guys how much that account has made maybe 3 months later. So make sure that you subscribe and turn on all post notifications. So if you want to do copy trading as well, so this is what you have to do. First, use the link in the description to create your account. When you're creating your account, make sure that you're using our referral code, and then after that you then deposit your funds. I already have a Bybit account. I'm going to leave that in the description as well with regards to how to deposit on Bybit and how to use Bybit. The next thing is to swap. What I would suggest is that you take your USDT or USDC, whatever assets that you have, go to the spot market, swap USDC for USDT, and then immediately swap back. When you do that, you're going to be eligible to get those bonuses if you're using my link. Then after that, you'll obviously have about $30 more just for using that link alone, depending on how much money you start with. You can actually make up to $4,000, but the realistic amount that you can get immediately is about $30. So once you've swapped those around, make sure that you swap them back again because it costs absolutely nothing. Then you go to the rewards hub. Then you can go and actually claim your funds immediately after you've done your first transaction. Your funds are going to be available. Then you withdraw those funds, you push them back to the derivatives account, then you use that on copy trading. So that's why you should be using my link in the description of this video. That link also supports me as a creator as well. So make sure that you do that, and that's it. I'll make a follow-up video with regards to how this account is holding up, maybe the next 2 months or so. So in my opinion, this is one of the easiest way you can start making money with regards to crypto trading here on Bybit. And obviously, if you don't know how to use Bybit, I've got a tutorial that takes you step by step with regards to how to deposit, how to move your funds from your local bank account directly to Bybit and immediately start trading. So I hope that you'll be able to start trading and make money as well. And then you'll find all the links with regards to the videos that I referred to in the description of this video. So go ahead and check that out and I will see you there. And I'll also just link them right here. So you can go ahead and click there if you want to go ahead and watch the Bybit tutorial with regards to how to deposit funds on Bybit. So I'll see you on the next video. Goodbye for now. Peace.